Want to study in Mumbai in 2025? What are the entrance exams that you need to be targeting on, and what is the process to get admission in Mumbai University? I'm here to help you and assist you with all the information that you need with the best college and the course. Guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end. I'll share all the details with you. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor where you get all the important information regarding your admissions and your career. Now talking about studying in Mumbai, guys, अक्सर एक सवाल आता है कि CUET देना पड़ेगा क्या मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ने के लिए? As of now, till date, when you're watching this video, there is no acceptance of CUET as a university. So, Mumbai University CUET को mandatory नहीं मानता है for the admission. So, if you target to study in Mumbai, you have to make sure that you score well in your 12th standard, because each and every college in Mumbai, for all the courses that you want to apply for, they consider your 12th marks. Yes, indeed, if you want to study BMS in specific colleges that have accepted AICTE norm, वहाँ पे आपको देना पड़ेगा CET, which is Common Entrance Exam, which is a Maharashtra state exam जो आपको देना पड़ता है for BMS, BBA, BCA and BBM in all across Maharashtra colleges which are offering these courses under AICTE. There are private colleges which are offering without CET as well. So there are private colleges जो अपना खुद का entrance exam लेते हैं. But if you want to study in a regular college in Mumbai, be it BA, BCom, BSc, then आपके 12th पे आपको admission मिलता है. And specifically if you're targeting the top colleges like Xavier's or Jai Hind College, they take their own entrance exam. Xavier's takes XCET exam for BMS, BMM and BSCIT. And Jai Hind College take their entrance exam for their self-finance courses. तो अभी तक ये दो ही colleges हैं जो अपना खुद का entrance exam लेते हैं for the self-finance courses. But rest of the colleges, be it Mithibai, NM, RA Podar, or you talk about any other colleges in Mumbai, they are taking admission so far on the 12th standard mark. So if you want to study in Mumbai, you have to make sure that you score really well in your 12th standard boards. रही बात entrance exam की, guys, 2025 का structured information in terms of कब कौन से कॉलेज का एंट्रेंस एग्जाम होने वाला है, आपको कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मीडिया मेंटर पर मिल जाएगी. एंड दिस इज द ओनली एक्सक्लूसिव चैनल फॉर द मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी एडमिशन विच गिव यू ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन सो दैट यू कैन टेक अ गाइडेड and a proper informed decision for your career and to study in Mumbai. Also guys, do let me know in the comment box below that what are your questions regarding studying in Mumbai in 2025 that you guys have. Now talking about अगर आप दूसरे स्टेट से मुंबई आ रहे हो तो क्या कोई reservation यहाँ पे काम करता है? What are the factors that things work on? Guys, मुंबई में जो top colleges है, those are minority colleges. मतलब अगर आप कैथलिक हो, अगर आप सिंधी हो, अगर आप गुजराती हो, yes, the colleges do have the quota here, but you have to make sure कि आपका जो कोटा है वो eligibility national wide होनी चाहिए. कॉलेज से आपको एक बार चेक करना पड़ेगा so that you can avail that quota. And that quota works like, अगर आप मिठीबाई में एडमिशन चाहते हो तो 50% is गुजराती कोटा, अगर आप जेवियर्स में एडमिशन चाहते हो तो 50% is Catholic quota. This is how it works. So it's a high probability that if you are a Catholic or a Gujarati or a Sindhi, you will get, like Sindhis will get opportunity to study in HR, KC and Jai Hind College because these are Sindhi colleges. तो yes, ये सारी चीजें मैं आपको वीडियो में बता दूंगी. Also guys, I do come live to explain these things to you so that it is simplified. I know it becomes too much complex for the parents and the student to understand that. So guys, if you want to get in touch with me personally to understand how does it work and need admission consultation or career counseling, you can contact us on this WhatsApp number or this email ID. My team will share all the details with you. And we also do admission consultation for NRI, OCI and students who are not from Mumbai. If you need our team assistance and hand-holding जो आपका पूरा admission process का ध्यान दे, then same number पे WhatsApp कर दीजिए. My admission team will get in touch with you. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.